Xuzhou Huaheng was established in 2008, is a leading company in arc welding process technology, robot system integration, and automation industry, integrating scientific research, production, and service. Xuzhou Huaheng has a 3-story building with a sky garden as the center, office and leisure as one. The garden is surrounded by rockery, flowing water, and beautiful environment. The company has a R&D center of 6,600 square meters and a manufacturing workshop of 30,000 square meters. The manufacturing workshop is divided into 2 parts, production and assembly. The production workshop includes large-scale gantry machining equipment, CNC machining center, CNC wire cutting machine, CNC lathe, and other advanced machining equipment. The assembly workshop is responsible for installing and commissioning the structural parts. Xuzhou Huaheng adheres to the heart of craftsmen and creates a model of intelligent manufacturing. And the products developed by the company are widely used in various industrial fields such as construction machinery, military and aerospace, energy power, marine engineering, shipbuilding, railway locomotives, chemical industry, and nuclear power, etc., especially in the subfield of construction machinery. The market share is as high as 40%, and it is exported to all over the world, such as North America, Europe, South and Southeast Asia.